Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about stain remover. Two stain removers I found. So the first one is like coffee or earth products, and then the second stain remover is makeup, so oil-based products. So I'm going to just go through what I used, and the measurements I'll put in the description box below to check out. So the first stain I'm going to work with is the coffee one. So you want some white vinegar. I couldn't find white vinegar anywhere because of all the lockdown, everything's sold out. So white vinegar spray, it still worked. And then 1 teaspoon of that, and then you want 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of water as well, and then washing up liquid. I use fairy, but I presume you can use any kind, but I just use fairy because that's why I always use at home. And then I just mix them both together in a little container, and then I just placed it on top of the stain. Now the interesting thing is this stain I have put through the wash already, so it was a lot worse, but because it didn't come out in the wash I was really disappointed. So then I went in with this and it worked a treat. I used a toothbrush to scrub it, and I did scrub it for a good few minutes, and the green didn't stain, of course, because it was just washing up liquid. Then the makeup stain, that had actually been through the wash twice, and it was there for like a week or two before I figured out this hack. So you want to use the same white vinegar with some washing up liquid, some water, but add in some acetone. And be careful doing this on a countertop as well, because the acetone of course burnt through and it removed a little bit of varnish off my counter, but it was okay, the stain was gone. So this stain I was really surprised with that it worked, because it was there like about a week or two, like I said, and I've already tried washing it. But I got the toothbrush and I just really scrub. This is an old toothbrush, of course, and now I just keep it aside to remove stains because I'm quite clumsy. And this is what it turned out like after a few minutes of scrubbing. Now it did take a while, but it worked out in the end. It turned out super nice. Then I used some Glow White pods just to whiten up stuff, and I used some dirt remover so that if there was any dirt on the products, it would help collect it, and the whitening powder to whiten up my clothes again. And I just put that on a normal wash, nothing fancy, and then dry them. And you'll see now in 1 second how it exactly turned out. This was the jumper, which I was so happy with because it's my favorite jumper ever, although I did stain it 10 minutes after I put it on, but that's a different story. And then you'll see the top as well, how it turned out. So white, so perfect, so nice. And yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.